Integration by substitution method. So when we will use this method, suppose see for this example, integral 5x square sine x cube plus 3 dx. It is a product of two functions. Okay, when you see a product, you have to use and you have to evaluate that integral. You have to use either by substitution method or by parts method. Okay, so also you have to remember that this given integral, it is difficult to integrate the function, the given function by the rules given in the table. Okay, this integral is difficult to evaluate using the rules given in the table. So we have to use substitution method. By parts method later how to identify and all we will discuss later. Okay, here this question you have to use by substitution method. Substitution, the name itself, it shows that you have to substitute another variable in place of x. What we are doing is we are replacing x with another variable. We are substituting. That is why it is integration by substitution. And remember that after substituting the variable, the integral becomes easy to integrate. It should not be difficult. So if it is becoming more difficult than the given question, then understand that you have done something wrong and it is not integration by substitution method. So what are the steps to follow for integration by substitution method? First, take u, let u equal to x cube plus 3. This is the first step. You have to choose another variable in place of x. So that is what we are doing. Choose another variable u x equal to x cube plus 3. So how to choose u? This is the more important point in this method. So how to choose u is mostly 99%. So whatever you are choosing the function as u, the derivative of that function lies in the beginning, or sometimes mostly in the beginning. Sometimes what happens, it will be there here also, but means after this function also, but mostly in the beginning. So whatever you are choosing as u, the derivative of that function lies here. Don't think about the constant, mostly the variable you think. See, suppose the derivative of x cube is 3x square. So x square here. So it will become easy later when you are integrating. So choose that variable as u. This is the first step. Second step, differentiate u with respect to x on both sides. So when you are differentiating, so u with respect to x, it is du by dx equal to right side. The derivative of x cube is 3x square and derivative of 3 is 0. So now du equal to, take dx this side, it will be 3x square dx. Now we need x square dx. We see the question. You can replace x square dx. So x square dx we can replace from the given question. So 3, take this side. So 1 by 3 du equal to x square dx. Now you have u and du with you. So now go to step 3. So now write the values of u and du in the given integral. Here this is the most important step. You should remember that here it should not contain any x term on the right hand side. Right hand side means after transforming, the integral should not contain any x term. So take the given integral. This is the given integral. Now take 5 is a constant outside, right outside. Here x square dx. See, x square dx is nothing but 1 by 3 du. So write du here, take 1 by 3 outside, it will be 5 by 3. Then what is the term remaining here? Sine x cube plus 3. You know that x cube plus 3 is u. So in place of x cube plus 3, you are writing u. So it becomes sine u. So see how the integral becomes very easy to integrate after the substitution. So what you did, x square dx is replaced as du by 3 and x cube plus sin x cube plus 3. In place of x cube plus 3, you are writing u. So in the right hand side, you observe that there is no x term. Okay. Now fourth step is evaluate the integral. So now it is very easy. What is integral of sin u from the tabular rules, table of rules? You can see that is minus cos u. So minus pi by 3 cos u. After the integration, you have to add the arbitrary constant c. So last step, don't forget, replace u by the function in terms of x, what you have taken in the beginning in step 1. So replace u with that. So minus 5 by 3, what is u? X cube plus 3. So write in place of u x cube plus 3. So minus 5 by 3 into cos x cube plus 3 plus c. This is the answer.